We just wanted to have a chess game on the wall. But Aaron and I soon realized that it was nice to curl up with it on the sofa. Sometimes we'll take it with us when we walk our dog in the park. Our dog Ruby likes to try and help, but that's okay because she can't knock the pieces over. On a road trip, I could hear the kids laughing in the back seat. Turns out they were messaging about me. At least they were off their phones. When we got to our campsite, they moved on to tic-tac-toe. Last Sunday morning, Aaron and I played a word search game in bed. I like playing next to her. It beats being hunched over a table across from each other. When we're done, it goes back on the wall where it's not in the way. Sometimes we play a game over a week, or use it as a message board. Aaron and I own Cookbook People. We make sustainable kitchen gifts. I'm into chess, and Aaron does her part for the environment. We designed the game frame to last for decades and not use any plastic parts. The cubes are all hardwood, and the cabinet is sustainable bamboo. Aaron always says how beautiful bamboo is, and I like the sound the pieces make when they slide in. It really comes with so many games. And you can play it anywhere.